Well, after embarrassing his government with tweets on India's next Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Dalbir Singh Suhag, Union Minister and former Chief of Army Staff, General Vijay Kumar Singh, is holding position, totally defiant, unwilling to lay down his arms.
Well, absolutely. The general has been asked to keep his cool, to wind down the belligerence, but there is no sign. The Defence Minister Arun Jaitley is firefighting over an affidavit. Nailing the general will go smoothly. In the meanwhile, the Congress has all the ammunition it needs to target the former chief.
I think more than as a minister, as a ex-army chief, he has a far bigger responsibility.
Firstly, politicization of issues related to the armed forces. Secondly, raising issues in the public domain which are still under court, so that can also be taken further as contempt of court.
Congress's all-out attack on General VK Singh, the party taking on the Modi government over the fresh controversy involving General VK Singh. The Congress is gunning for the former army chief's head. This after a series of tweets by General VK Singh embarrassed the government, in which he accused the Army Chief Designate, Lieutenant General Dalbir Singh Suhag, of protecting the unit that killed innocents. Sources say that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is upset over General VK Singh's outburst at Lieutenant General Suhag. Modi is believed to have had a word with Jaitley on the issue, and after which a decision was taken to reiterate the government's support for Lieutenant General Suhag's appointment as the next army chief. On Wednesday, Jaitley had to clarify in the Rajya Sabha over the issue after the opposition created a furore. Sources say that General VK Singh has been told by the government not to go public on the issue, but the former army chief remains unrepentant.
So you're saying that somebody who is there, innocent...
I'm not saying anything, ask the MOD.
Modi government was left embarrassed after an affidavit filed by it blamed the Union Minister, General VK Singh, of stalling the promotion of Chief Designate, Lieutenant General Dalbir Singh Suhag. Defence Minister Jaitley had also sought an explanation from the ministry officials on how comments accusing Singh made their way into the affidavit filed in the Apex Court. When confronted by headlines today, the Defence Secretary evaded questions on the controversial affidavit.
Mr. Mathur, so you had a meeting with the Defence Minister today. What transpired, sir? Because I believe you were summoned as well today for filing an affidavit.
I have no reactions.
What did Arun Jaitley say? He said that this government stands by that decision of General Suhag being the next Chief of the Army Staff. At the same time, he warned the Congress not to rake up this issue, because then General VK Singh would be free to respond to that, and then there would be certain uncomfortable questions that former Defence Minister A.K. Antony and the Congress regime could be well asked to explain. And this, he said, should be out of the purview even of the Parliament. With cameraman Ashok Bhanot, Gaurav Sawant in Delhi for Headlines Today.
Our BJP correspondent Aditi Ananthanarayan joins us live from the national capital. Aditi, this has already become a really ugly spat, over the army line of succession. Arun Jaitley has very categorically on two occasions said that, the designation of Lieutenant General Dalbir Singh Suhag as the next army chief will not be touched. No politics will be played. But at the same time, you've got this unpredictable behavior from General VK Singh, who's gone and tweeted. We don't know if he'll come out and say anything else. Is the government worried about VK Singh, Aditi?
Shiv, one thing is very clear, that the BJP top brass isn't very happy by the attitude and behavior of General VK Singh, especially when he went out and tweeted against Lieutenant General Dalbir Singh. And clearly at this point of time is the BJP top brass who are now firefighting. A message has been sent out to General VK Singh that he has to be very cautious before he talks to the media. He has to be very cautious as far as when he's talking about the next army chief, especially on social media platforms. And that's precisely the reason why Prime Minister Narendra Modi told Arun Jaitley to come to the forefront and take the issue in his own hand, because clearly the BJP is very embarrassed. They do not trust what General VK Singh might say if he comes out in the open, and that's why he has been a message has been sent out to him that he should be very careful in talking. He should be very cautious, because this was a decision which was taken by the previous government, and clearly Narendra Modi at this juncture does not want to be portrayed as a person who is kind of slashing out on all the decisions that have have been taken in
Yeah.
the past by the previous
Right.
government. So it is a very critical situation for Narendra Modi and his cabinet, and they are trying to back up General VK Singh, but also being very cautious and telling him to maintain silence as far as possible.
Right, absolutely. Aditi, the government is bound to tread with caution when it comes to General VK Singh. He is a man who's always been tough to restrain. But is he likely at all to come out and speak to the media? Perhaps we know he took to social media about 24 hours ago, which is when this entire controversy came out in the first place. So is he likely to come out and say anything at all? Because yesterday he evaded our mics.
Rishika, not only is General VK Singh the former army chief, but also now he's a minister in Narendra Modi's cabinet.
Absolutely.
So clearly he has to act according to what the government decides for him and what Narendra Modi decides for him. And if he is sent a stricture that he should not talk and he should be careful in talking, clearly General VK Singh does not have that open hand that he can go ahead and give statements, especially after embarrassing the party hugely by sending out those tweets.
Right.
So it is unlikely that now General VK Singh will come out with a clarification, because it's the BJP top brass which have now come forward and which are now taking this case in their own hand, Rishika.
Right, so former chief, clearly now a Modi's mantri, likely to toe the line that the cabinet ministers are in fact asked to toe. Aditi, keep tracking that story for us. We will keep coming back to you for more.